everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys what is in my travel makeup bag, and this is the makeup that I use on a daily basis, and this is how I created this look. And if you guys would like to see a video on how I did create this look, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, because I can definitely do that for you. Like I said, it does include all the products that are in this makeup bag right here. I'm always curious to see what everyone else uses to store their everyday makeup and what products they use, so I figured I would do one of these myself. So without further ado, let's get started. So starting off with the outside of the bag, this is just the makeup bag that I use. It is one of the Vera Bradley makeup bags. They no longer sell this print. I think I got this back when I was in 7th grade, which was over 11 years ago. This thing has held up so well. So if you are looking for a really heavy duty makeup bag, I highly recommend getting one of these. They are on the more pricey side, however, they are completely worth it. This is just the outside of it, and the only thing I do have on the outside on the little handle part is a hand sanitizer. This is just one of the Bath & Body Works pocket bags in Fresh Sparkling Snow. It is definitely a favorite scent of mine, and I do have it in one of the holders. I always keep a hand sanitizer either on the outside of my makeup bag or in my makeup bag, because it is really important to either wash your hands or use hand sanitizer before you go ahead and apply your makeup. So now that I've gone over the outside, let's jump in and see what's on the inside. So this is just what the inside looks like. As you guys can see, it is 100% chock full of stuff, and rather than going one by one through everything, I am going to go ahead and dump this out in front of me, organize it into categories, and then I will be back to show you guys. Starting off with eye makeup, I just have two eyeshadows. I have a palette and then a single eyeshadow. The single eyeshadow that I have is just the Maybelline Color Tattoo in the color Bad to the Bronze, and this is just what it looks like. It is just a bronzy metallic cream eyeshadow. I love using this as a base. It works great, and it goes with pretty much any eyeshadow. And then I have my absolute favorite and go-to palette, the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. These are just all the different colors. My favorites are definitely Molasses Chip, Mocha, Malted, and Dark Truffle, and Cafe Au Lait is also another one I use a ton. Overall, I can't say enough good things about this palette. I love the way it smells, I love all the colors, and I love that the packaging itself is metal so it won't get damaged. I have 3 different mascaras. This one right here is from the drugstore, and these two are both high-end. The drugstore one is just the CoverGirl Full Lash Bloom, and it is waterproof, and this is just what the brush looks like. It is just a chunky brush. Then I have the Clinique High Lengths Mascara. This has been a holy grail of mine since I was in high school. It has such a unique brush. There are only bristles on this side of the wand, and they are really tiny, and they just really help to get every single lash. I think I am on my 3rd or 4th tube of this. And then my favorite mascara, this is the YSL Volume Effect Faux Cils Mascara. I really need to get a new one, however, this is really expensive, and I don't have the money to get it right now. This is just what the brush looks like. I don't know what makes it so unique, but this makes your lashes so voluminous. I have 3 different eyeliners. I have the NYX Super Skinny Eye Marker, which is my holy grail eyeliner. It is just a black felt tip skinny pen eyeliner. I have a pencil eyeliner from Cargo. This is the Cargo Swimmables eyeliner in Black Seas. This is my holy grail pencil liner, and this is what I use to tightline my eyes. And then I also have another felt tip eyeliner. This is the Cella eyeliner pen in black. I really like this one because, again, it does have the thin felt tip. I also really like it because inside it has like a spring mechanism, so it reloads it with the eyeliner every time you use it. I have 3 different brow products. This one right here is just from Ulta, and it is the Ulta Brow Tint in medium. I absolutely love this. It is a really easy one-step way to fill in your eyebrows. I have another product from Cella. This is the Cella Dazzling Dark Brown Eyebrow Cream. On this end there is just a brush, and then this end just has cream product to fill in your brows with. And then I just have the Tweezerman Brow Mousse. This is what I use to set my eyebrows with. It is just a clear brow gel. I also have 2 different primers. I have the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the original one. Not a huge fan of this because it gets really flaky and dry. And then this one, which I just recently started using, which is the Ulta Beauty Tinted Eye Primer in Satin Blush. I absolutely love this. It works as a great base. It is a nice champagne-y pink color, and you get a lot more product in this than most other eye primers. I have 6 different lip colors, and they are all relatively in the same color category. First off, I do have a chapstick. This is the Nivea A Kiss of Milk and Honey. I always put this on first thing when I'm doing my makeup just to moisturize moisturize my lips and prep them for my lipsticks or my lip glosses. Right here I just have one of the Kylie matte liquid lipsticks, and this is in the color Kristen. This is actually my third tube of this. I absolutely love this color, and I love that they sell them at Ulta now. I have one of the NYX soft matte lip creams, and this is in the color Rome. This is my absolute go-to lip color. It is a maroon nudie color, and it works with any outfit and any makeup look. And then I just have 3 of the Ulta mini lip glosses or liquid lipsticks. These 2 right here are the matte liquid lipsticks. This one is in the color Brick. This one is in the color Rose. And then I do have one of the creamy lip glosses, and this is in the color Mauve. Moving on to face makeup, I do have 2 primers. This is just the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I absolutely love this. This is what I start and end my makeup routine with. I do only have the travel size one, but I do want to go ahead and get the full size one. This is the only product I own from MAC and will always own. I really like that it works to prep your face for makeup as well as set it, and it makes it last all day. And then I have a cream primer. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. I absolutely love this. I use this after this, and some people say you don't need both. I, however, always use both. This has a really good moisturizing formula, but will not leave your face oily. For foundations, concealers, and powders, I have the number 7 City Light Tinted Moisturizer, and this has SPF 15 in it. I like using this a ton because it is just a tinted moisturizer, which means it is light enough that it looks like you're not wearing anything, but it does give you color, and it does have the sunscreen, because even though it is winter, you can still be affected by the sun's rays. And mine is in the shade Fair. I also got this for Christmas, and it is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and mine is in the color Shell Ivory. This has been a foundation that's been going around YouTube for quite some time now. Everyone pretty much talks about it, even those who really like high-end foundations. If you've never seen this, I absolutely love the applicator. You can just go ahead and swipe it all across your face and apply it, and I love that it isn't completely full coverage, but it is in fact buildable. I have my go-to concealer. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and mine is in the color Fair, and this is actually my second tube of this, and this one's actually my summer version. It is a little too dark for me right now, but I can still get away with using it for probably another month. And then I have my go-to setting powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder, and mine is in translucent. I really wish this packaging wasn't so bulky. It comes with the powder, and it also comes with a mirror as well as a applicator. And lastly, for face makeup, I have my highlighting and contouring stuff. Right here, I just have the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. I got this for Christmas and my birthday last year. I absolutely love it. It has shades to suit pretty much everyone. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but this one is the one I use the most, and it is in the shade Subconscious. And then the other 3 products I have are all from Tarte. I have one of the Tarte Amazonian Clay 24-hour blushes, and this is in the shade Party. This was the birthday gift at Sephora a few years ago, and I absolutely love it. I have one of the Amazonian Clay 24-hour highlighters, and this is in the shade Exposed. And then I have one of the Tarte Amazonian Clay matte waterproof bronzers, and this is in the shade Hotel Heiress. Lastly, I have all of my tools and random products. So starting with the random products, I have one of the hand creams from Bath & Body Works. This is in Snowy Morning. I featured this in my December favorites. I absolutely love it. It is the best scent ever. I have one of the Sephora mirrors that comes with their gift cards, where one side is just a normal mirror and the other side is magnified. And I also have a dry shampoo. This is just the Batiste Original Travel Size Dry Shampoo. And then I just have a ton of different tools and brushes. I have an eyelash curler from Tweezerman. Also from Tweezerman, I have the blush brush, contour and concealer brush, as well as the flat top foundation brush. From Ulta, I just have a crease brush and an eyeshadow brush. I have this sharpener from Cella, a random beauty blender sponge that has yet to be used. I have 2 of the same brushes from e.l.f. They are the blending brushes. Not sure why I have 2 in there, but I do. From a random company, I just have an angled eyebrow brush, as well as a spoolie. I have a little concealer brush from Natural Beauty. No idea what company that is, and this works great for getting under my nose ring. I have 2 Wet n Wild brushes. I have the angled eyeliner / eyebrow brush, as well as their blending brush. I have the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette eyeshadow brush that is double-ended. And then I have 2 brushes from Real Techniques. I have the Prep brush, and then I also have the powder brush. So that is everything that is in my everyday makeup bag. I have been using this makeup bag for years now, and I absolutely love it. It is great quality. It holds up. I love that it does have the handle on it, and it holds everything I need. Like I said in the beginning, if you guys would like to see my everyday makeup routine, which looks like this, be sure to let me know in the comments down below, because I can definitely do that for you guys. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!